Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again with another video. My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are OGs, welcome back. So you guys, this is my last tutorial. It's my last tutorial of the year. This is the last look. I am sharing with you guys my December favorites. I'm going to be doing this every month now. That way you guys can know some of my favorites. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me. That way you guys can see the products in action. This is my New Year's Glam. I hope you guys love it. Hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post. And make sure you guys give me a like. I hope you guys love this look that I created. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hey loves, okay, so we're gonna be talking about my favorites, December favorites. I haven't done this on my YouTube yet, but I feel like I'm going to be doing this every month. I'm going to tell you guys what my favorite products are because you know what? I remember loving those type of videos and I hope you guys like it. So I'm going to start off with my brows. So what I use for my brows, this is the OG but goodie. It's always been in my favorites, but so far I've been using this as like my primer for my brow, kind of like to set my brows. So this is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. You guys, this is amazing. I feel like it does have a lot of product in it. I love the brush on it and the amount of product it has on the brush. Just really love it. So I do that first for my brows. My brows are not done yet until I finish my foundation. So I know like right now they look kind of crazy. I haven't really filled them in the front. So let's not worry about that, okay? So the next thing is the Brow Microfilling Pen by Benefit. It is so good, you guys. I just wish, the only thing I do wish that it had like a darker shade. This is in a deep brown, and this is the darkest shade in the brow pen. And I feel like if they can make one shade darker, that would be like perfect. So it looks like this. This is basically what I use when I want to have like a natural brow. I also been loving this brow pen from Anastasia. Honestly, the fluffy brows are super in, and lately I just been obsessed with them. I haven't really done like the Instagram brows in a long time, but I do like those too. Like, don't get me wrong, because I look at old pictures and I'm like, oh, I miss my brows, but you know, it is what it is. So this is the Anastasia Brow Pen. I love how sleek it looks. Just looks like this. Anastasia right here. This one is in dark brown, and that's not the darkest color. I don't think so. I'm not sure if they have an ebony one, but I know this is pretty dark. Look, I'll show you. This one's pretty dark. It's pretty good, you know. You don't need it too dark, but this is perfect. So as I go along through the video, I'm just going to do a get ready with me with you guys. I did this one off camera because I do record my TikToks. If you guys like TikToks, then I'll have everything down below so you guys can see it. I'm going to use this palette by Morphe. It's a 39L Hit the Lights palette. I honestly got this last year. But it's a really good palette. It has a lot of shades in here. Look how big it is, but it has beautiful, beautiful shades. I feel like this is a palette that you could just take, you know, if you have, like, you're going to go on a vacation. You have your neutrals, you have your reds, and you have a pop of colors. This whole row is just like shimmers and stuff. It's really, really nice. Can you believe this is the last tutorial I'm going to do for this year? I'm going to be really dedicated to my YouTube, this coming up year. I'm gonna buy a whole set of new lights, new camera, and yeah, I'm just gonna go all out. So for the first shade in the palette, I'm gonna be taking this brown shade right here, so that way I can show you guys. Let me just see this one right here. This guy, so big I can't even hold it, but it's this one. The shades that I'm gonna be taking are this one right here, is this a brown one, and this one. These are the three shades. And then this middle one right here. These two shimmer ones. But I'm just going to pack on this shade. It's really pigmented. This palette is like probably one of my favorites from Morphe because, like I said, it has a bunch of shades. And yeah, what I do wish it had was like a transition color, like an orangey color. It has a lighter shade of brown, but not the shade that I want, so I have to go in with another palette, that's for sure. I mean, it's fine, you could work with another color, but because I just want to go from darkest to lightest, I mean, I could take the yellowish one, but no. So we're gonna do like a whole circle, like around the eye, pretty much. So now taking that lighter brown shade to just blend out that shade, I'm going to take this color right here. So what did you guys get for Christmas, you guys? I didn't ask for much. I didn't ask for anything but these drawers back behind me. That's all I asked for. And my husband surprised me with a new phone, which is the 12 Pro Max. Right here, it's the gold one. It looks kind of white, huh? But it's the gold one. So I'm going to be taking my Neon Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to take it this one, the orange one. So I'm going to take this shade right here. Back in with that first brown shade that we laid right here, and I'm going to apply it right here. Just blend it out because it kind of got lost in that shade that we put right now. I'm going to cut the crease. We're going to do a halo eye because I know I always do, you know, regular cut creases, and I wanted to do something different. I love halo eyes, but they are my struggle. Trust me, they're my struggle. Okay, so now taking the darkest shade. This one's darker than the first shade that I took. So this is going to be this one right here. This one right here. That shade in the outer corners of my eyes. So you want to go darkest to lightest. So to give that little ombre effect. I'm going to take my favorite NYX glitter primer. I use this for my shimmers, for my glitters. This is one of my OGs. I'm going to take this shade right here and apply it. And it's a lot brighter, super pigmented. I know it's pigmented like on your fingers, yeah, but once it goes on the eye sometimes it's not it. But with this technique, it's going to be so poppin'. Kind of going over that lighter brown shade that we put because we're going to go back and forth to get the perfect blend. It just looks pretty. So you're going to take that lighter brown that you put right here and you're going to blend that out a little bit just to blend it good. I can't end the year without my favorite glitters. Glitters are by SHOPWEARBEAUTY. You guys already know I have a bunch of her glitters. But this glitter I'm taking is one of my favorites. It's the Goddess 2. It's so pretty. I'm going to show you guys right now. So it looks like this. Very, very pretty. I love this one. My favorite brush in the entire world for glitter is from the Makeup Shack, and it's called T69. So it's really, really pretty. It's a silicone brush, and it packs on the glitter perfectly, and it's not going to get everywhere. It looks like this. Right here. These are in the style Libra. Very cute. So for primer, so now that we're done with the eyes, primer for the face primer. I've been super, super obsessed with Milk Hydro Grip Primer. It looks like this. Bomb. I'm sure you guys heard of it. Really good. Keeps your makeup on, and it doesn't break me out or anything, so that's a plus. Sponge that I've been obsessed with for half the year, I think, and I'm still obsessed with it. It's the Wet n Wild makeup sponge, and it looks like this. I have a lot of these, and they're only $3. I have the black one right now. This is like their Halloween collection. This should not be a surprise to you, but I am going to end the year and start the year with my favorite foundation. It's the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation in the shade Gold. And I can't live without this foundation. If I want to have a good makeup day, I for sure have to have this one. This is my favorite foundation, favorite. So my current obsession is the One Size powder. This is their translucent powder. It is amazing. I got the mini one. I don't know why I underestimated that. Like, girl, why did I get the little tiny one? I need to go back. I need to go back to get the bigger one because it is amazing. So the next thing that I've been super obsessed with lately is the Maven Beauty. This is their liquid eyeshadows. This is in the shade Super Moon. And it's just really pretty. I want to put this in my inner corner of my eyes. Take that. Yes. Okay, it looks like that. It kind of made it like pop, right? Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of this on my brush. This brush is the Anastasia Swish brush. And this is where I'm going to put this right here. Okay. So I've been back in love with my Anastasia Sunset Aurora loose highlighter. I'm going to take a little of that. Just apply it right here. It's so pretty. So yeah, I think this look is really cute. Like I said, I loved everything. Yeah, these are my favorites. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys want to see more, just to make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. That just lets me know that you guys are liking my content. You guys want to see more of me. So I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I hope you guys have a blessed year this upcoming year. I love you guys, and stay strong. Keep your head up always.